In question 4, the problem statement says, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degrees? So we have a regular polygon, we don't know its number of sides, but we do know that each of the interior angles has a measure of 165 degrees. Using this, we have to find the number of sides of the polygon. So let me show you a figure that will help you understand this problem better and how to solve it. So in this figure that I have drawn just one vertex of the polygon. Let's call it the vertex A of the n-sided polygon. We don't know the number of sides. So let's assume that the number of sides of the polygon, this is what we have to find. This is equal to n. So I have drawn one of the n vertices, which is this point A. And we can see that the interior angle at point A is 165 degrees. So each of the interior angles will be equal to 165 degrees because the polygon is a regular polygon. This also means that the exterior angle at each vertex will be 180 minus 165 or 15 degrees. So let's write this observation. Each exterior angle of the polygon has a measure of 15 degrees. Now this means that we can write the total sum of all the exterior angles in terms of the number of sides, because we have the measure of each angle, which is 15 degrees, and we have the number of exterior angles, which is n. So let's write this fact. So the total sum of all the exterior angles of the polygon will be equal to n, the number of exterior angles, into 15 degrees, which is the measure of each exterior angle. And now the thing is that this sum, n into 15 degrees, this should also be equal to 360 degrees, because we know that the sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degrees. So this is how we get an equation in n. N into 15 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So n is simply 360 degrees divided by 15 degrees. And how much is this quotient? So 360 by 15 is 24. So we get n equal to 24. So the number of sides of the regular polygon is 24. And this is the answer for question number 4. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.